Hi everyone, today I have got a something super cool and amazing tool to show you. Guess what? I have got a chatbot running locally on my machine and you can run this chatbot on your machine too. So I'll write a message like hi, and in response, in no time I have got a response from my chatbot like hello, it's nice to meet you. You can run this chatbot on your local machine too, and for that you have to first understand like what Ollama is. Let's dive into what Ollama is. First thing first, let's get Ollama installed on your machine so that you can use a chatbot on your own local machine. So we can go to the download section and we'll just download it for Windows, Mac OS or Linux. I'll download it for Windows and started downloading. Now the Ollama is installed. Now you're just few steps away from having your own local GPT. You can go to the download section and open up the setup and install the Ollama. It will take some time to just install it in your local system. Congratulations, Ollama is successfully installed, and as you can see, Ollama is running. So click here to get started. It opened our PowerShell. So what we can do is we can go to the Ollama GitHub repo and see what we can do with this small little Ollama software. So get up and running with large language models locally. So to start the model, we can just type Ollama run llama 2. So I'll just open my command prompt and I'll write Ollama run llama 2. See, it's pulling manifest, just downloading the models locally. It's of 3.8 GB. And here you can see there are a lot of models like Mistral, Dolphin, Starling, Code Llama, Lava, Gamma. So you can use all these models in Ollama for free and on local. See, it is successfully installed and it is asking you to send a message. So it is just acting like a chat bot, and you can just type a message like hi, how are you? And it is giving me a response as a chatbot do. So hi, I'm just an AI. I don't have feelings or emotions. So yeah, giving pretty good result. So yeah, this is a cool tech and you can flex this cool tech with your friends. Yeah, this is pretty amazing, right? And if you want some help, you can type in slash question mark and it will show some commands like set show by. If you want to just don't use this model, you want to use some other model and you want to switch off this model, so what you can do is you can say slash by, come out of the llama 2, and you can use some other model as well from this list like Mistral, Ollama run Mistral. So Ollama run Mistral. So same like that, it will install the model first. I don't want this, so I'll use Ollama run llama 2. It will download the model for one time only, and you can use the model like if I hit enter and it will start the model automatically. See, so it is pretty fast. So I'll write what is Python. So it started typing, right? Python is a high level interpreted programming language. As you all can see, it generates a pretty good result, and it has given me the points as well, 10 points overall. And if you read it, you will get an idea of what Python exactly is. And if you're a beginner who don't know Python, what Python is, so you can just read it and have an idea of what Python is. So that's all from my side, and see you in the next video. Stay updated.